Hello everyone, welcome to Sahuna's classroom. Today we'll be doing story writing and we'll follow the example of the most famous story of all, Cinderella. I am sure everybody has read it, so we can take examples from Cinderella for our story writing prompt. Come on, let's start. Once upon a time there was a. In the beginning of our story, if we usually begin with once upon a time. Here there was a. We describe our main character. So if you are taking the example of Cinderella, we will say once upon a time there was a little girl called Cinderella, or there was a little beautiful girl called Cinderella. Who lived in? Where did Cinderella live? Maybe she lived in a mansion or in a small cottage or a farmhouse. Who lived in a farmhouse in the countryside, in a huge farmhouse in the countryside. One day, what happened? One day, something happens to get the story started. What happens could be her mother passed away, could also be her dad remarried. So, if we want to start, her mother actually had passed away when she was little, in the childbirth. So let's skip that part and let's come to the part where her father remarries. So something happens to get the story started. Her father remarries, brings her a stepmom and two stepsisters to live with her at home. And so, what does your character do next, and what does he or she hope might happen as a result? What does Cinderella do next? She tries to help them out. She's very sweet with them. She accepts them. However bad they are, however badly they are bullying her, she accepts all their anger and everything, and still she is very kind and very patient, and still she keeps doing all their work. Why? Hope might happen as a. What did she hope might happen as a result? She hoped that they would love her back. She loved them. She gave them love, hoping they would love her back. However, something goes wrong. What is this something goes wrong? However, something goes wrong. This could be they never loved her back. Her father passed away. After her father passed away, then how does your character try to solve the problem? After her father passed away, what did she do? She couldn't do anything, right? She tried to be as sweet, as helpful to be with her stepmother and their stepsisters. But after her father passed away, they treated her more badly. They actually put her into the attic to live, and they literally treated her like a maid. Eventually, does your character succeed? Here comes the part of the ball. That she was invited to the ball. She was invited to the ball. Everybody was invited to the ball. She did not get a chance to go. So she, repaired her mom's dress to go to the ball. But they did not take her, and they actually stripped her dress. So what did she do? She was crying, and the fairy godmother came and helped her out, and she went to the ball and danced with the king. In the end, bring your story to a close here. In the end, what happened? The prince found that the prince came for looking her. He found her through the glass slipper. He found her, and then he took her away to the palace, and they married and they lived happily ever after. So in our last part, we closed down our story, and in the last line we usually write, since it's Cinderella and they lived happily ever after. I hope you people enjoyed the lesson today. I enjoyed teaching. Thank you very much. Stay at home, be safe. Goodbye. Subscribe to my channel, and if there are any queries, come back to me. Contact me at sonasclassroom@gmail.com. Thank you very much. Goodbye.